Hello everyone, Bill from Leo's Jewelry, and today I'd like to introduce you to an iconic timepiece, the Rolex Submariner 126610LV. Cased in 41mm oyster steel, a unique material developed exclusively by the brand, belongs to the 904L steel family, a group of alloys commonly employed in industries such as aerospace and industrial chemicals, where corrosion resistance is crucial. Drawing inspiration from its predecessor, the Hulk, the LV boasts a captivating design. The striking green bezel perfectly complements the black dial, creating a mesmerizing visual contrast. One of the noticeable changes with the LV is the transition from the maxi case to the new 41mm variant. Although the size appears larger, careful measurements reveal that the actual width of the case remains almost unchanged. What truly enhances the wearability and comfort of this piece is the adjustment of the lug profile to accommodate a slightly larger 21mm bracelet, deviating from the traditional 20mm seen in previous Submariner models. The dial of the watch features a luminescent chroma light display, a groundbreaking innovation that significantly enhances visibility in low light situations, making it particularly useful for divers who need to rely on their timepiece in the depths of the ocean. The hour markers are designed with simplicity in mind, taking the form of triangles, circles, and rectangles. This clear and uncluttered arrangement, combined with the broad hour and minute hands, allows for quick and accurate time reading, ensuring that divers can effortlessly stay aware of their surroundings without risk of confusion or misinterpretation underwater. We here at Leo's Jewelry are proud to offer this timepiece for sale and for your consideration. We're a family-owned and operated business in downtown Wayne, Michigan since 1945. This timepiece is sold in brand new, unworn, new old stock condition and is complete with all stickers in place, all factory booklets, accompaniments, and hang tags. Please use the link below to message us and schedule a video call for a personal presentation of this timepiece. We'd like to thank you for stopping by today. I would ask you to like, share, and please subscribe. Leo's Jewelry, from our family to yours, since 1945.